Chapter 5. More on editing and formatting in MS Word. Central idea. Find and replace text in a document. Add and remove header and footer. Set page orientation. Insert hyperlink in a document. Apply watermark. Set space between lines and paragraphs. You have already learnt about the various editing and formatting commands arranged in different groups under each tab on the ribbon. Let's learn about some more tools of editing and formatting in MS Word. Find and replace text. When you work with a Word document, you might have a word used several times in your document, and you want to replace the word or text with some other word or text. Microsoft Word provides Find and Replace option in which you can easily find that word and write another word through the Find and Replace dialog box. Find text. To find a particular text, do the following steps. Step 1. Open the Word document containing the text. Step 2. Click the Home tab. Step 3. Click the Find command or press keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F. The navigation pane will appear on the left side of the screen. Step 4. In the navigation pane, type the text you want to find and click Search icon. For example, type people. Step 5. If the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow, and a preview of the result will appear in the navigation pane. Click the arrows to move through the results one at a time. Select a result preview to go directly to the location of a result. Step 6. When you are done with the search, click the X to close the navigation pane. The highlight will disappear. Replace text. There are situations where a mistake occurs repeatedly throughout your document, such as misspelling a name or word. You may also want to exchange a particular word or phrase for another. Words Find and Replace feature helps you to quickly make revisions. To replace the text, take the following steps. Step 1. On the Home tab, in the Editing group, choose Replace or press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. Step 2. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Step 3. In the Find What box, type the text which you want to search and replace. Step 4. In the Replace With box, type the replacement text. Step 5.1. To replace the highlighted text, click Replace. Step 5.2. To replace all occurrence of the text in your document, click Replace All. Step 5.3. To skip this occurrence of the text and proceed to the next occurrence, click Find Next. For example, replace the word boy with girl in the given document. After clicking on the Replace All command, the document appears with the replaced word. Headers and footers. Headers and footers are the text or graphics which appear at top and bottom sections of the document respectively. Header and footer is used for various purposes, such as page numbering, document titles, copyright notices, and so on. Headers and footer text is displayed as grayed areas. Create a header or footer. To create header or footer, take the following steps. Step 1. Double-click anywhere on the top or bottom margin of the page. Top margin, bottom margin. For example, click on the top margin of the page. Step 2. the header and footer tools will open, and a Design tab will appear on the right side of the ribbon. Step 3. The insertion point will appear in the header. Type the text into the header section. Step 4. When you are finished, click Close Header and Footer or press the Escape key. The header or footer text will appear at the top or bottom of every page in the document. Note, by default, the headers are printed at 0.5 inches from the top and footers are printed at 0.5 inches from the bottom of the document. Editing header and footer. After you close the header or footer, it might be still visible, but it will be locked. To edit any existing header or footer, step 1. Double-click inside the header or footer area. The header and footer tool tabs on the ribbon activates. Step 2. Change the text or object in the header or footer and close the header and footer tool. Step 3. Close the header and footer when the final changes are done. Note, alternatively, click on the Insert tab in the header and footer group. Click on Header, Footer drop-down list. Here, you can select the desired option. Remove the header and footer. To remove header or footer from the document, take the following steps. Step 1. On the Insert tab in the header and footer group, click on the header or footer drop-down list. If you want to remove all the information contained in the header, click the header command and select Remove Header from the menu. If you want to remove all the information contained in the footer, click the Footer command and select Remove Footer from the menu. Adding page numbers. In MS Word, you can automatically label each page with a page number and place it in a header, footer, or side margin. Add page numbers to a document. To add a page number to a document, take the following steps. Step 1. Double-click anywhere on the header or footer to unlock it. Step 2. The Design tab will appear on the right side of the ribbon. Step 3. Click the Page Number command. Step 4. The menu will appear. Click the current position and select the desired page numbering style. Desired numbering style appears. After you have done, press the Escape key on the keyboard. You can also add page numbers to the header or footer via following steps. Step 1. On the Insert tab in the header and footer group, click on the Page Number command. Step 2. Select Top of Page or Bottom of Page. Type the required text in the header or footer of the page and press Escape key when done. Insert Watermark. A watermark is a faded background image that is placed behind the text in a document. Watermarks are used to protect your document. You can create your own picture or text as a watermark. To insert a watermark, take the following steps. Step 1. Open the document. Step 2. Click on the Design tab. Step 3. Click on Watermark button under the Page Background menu. Now, choose the built-in watermarks from the gallery and click on it once to apply to all the pages of your document. You can add the text or image as a watermark in the document. To add the text or image as a watermark in the document, take the following steps. Step 4. Click on the Custom Watermark. The Printed Watermark dialog box will appear. To insert text watermarks, now do the following in Printed Watermark dialog box. Step 5. Click the text watermark. Step 6. Type the text in the text box and set up the language, font, size, color, and the layout of the watermark. Step 7. Click on OK button. This is how the document will look like. The watermark has been added in the document. To insert custom picture watermark, this will apply the picture watermark in the entire document. To add an image-based watermark, take the following steps. Step 5. On the Printed Watermark dialog box, select the Picture Watermark option and click the Select Picture button. The Insert Pictures dialog box will appear. Step 6. Click on From a File option and click on the Browse to find the file in the computer. Step 7. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Select the required picture and click Insert. Step 8. Click on OK on the Printed Watermark dialog box. See the picture given to check how an image watermark looks like. Add a watermark to a single page. You can add a watermark, such as confidential, to a single page in a document. To add a watermark to a single page, take the following steps. Step 1. Place your cursor on the page that needs the watermark. Step 2. On the Design tab in the Page Background group, select Watermark. Step 3. Right-click the mouse on any watermark in the Watermark gallery and select Insert at Current Document Position. The watermark will be inserted in the selected page. Setting page orientation. Orientation means the layout position of the paper for printing. Microsoft Word documents orientation can be either in portrait or landmark. Portrait is a vertical layout and landscape is a horizontal layout. Step 1. In your current Microsoft Word document, select Layout tab. Step 2. Click on Orientation. Step 3. Select Landscape or Portrait. Adding link, hyperlink. You can add hyperlink to the document to allow web address, pictures, music files, video files, and email address. These links allow you to connect with other links within the document and move from one section to the other by clicking on the link. To add a hyperlink, take the following steps. Step 1. Select the text or image that you want to turn into a link. Step 2. Click the Insert tab. Step 3. Click the link command or press Ctrl+K on the keyboard. The Insert Hyperlink dialog box will appear. Step 4. The selected text will appear in the Text to Display field at the top. You can change this text whenever required. Step 5. In the Address field, type the address you want to link or browse and select the file in the computer and then click OK. Step 6. Then the text will be formatted as a hyperlink. Go to the link by pressing Ctrl+Click. Setting space between lines and paragraphs. Line spacing is the space between each line in a paragraph. Line spacing may be single-spaced, double-spaced, or any other space you want. Paragraph spacing is the space between the paragraphs. It can be before the paragraph and or after the paragraph. To format the line spacing, Take the following steps. Tip: the default spacing in Word 2019 is 1.08 line. Step 1. Select the text you want to format. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the Line and Paragraph Spacing command. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Move the mouse over the various options. A preview of the line spacing will appear in the document. Step 4. Select the line spacing you require. Hence, the line spacing will change in the document. To format the paragraph spacing, take the following steps. Step 1. Select the paragraph you want to format. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the Line and Paragraph Spacing command. Step 3. Move the mouse over Add Space Before Paragraph or Remove Space After Paragraph from the drop-down menu. The paragraph spacing will change in the document.